The SISUPASSIE 5000 PSI Electric Power Washer is equipped with a powerful motor that delivers exceptional cleaning performance, making it ideal for tackling tough stains on various surfaces. With a 35-foot power cord and a 20-foot high-pressure hose, this pressure washer offers excellent mobility, allowing you to clean large areas without constantly relocating the unit. This washer comes with versatile cleaning accessories including a foam cannon and 4 quick connect nozzles, which enhance its adaptability to different cleaning tasks. The energy-saving total stop system automatically shuts off the motor when the trigger is not engaged, contributing to energy efficiency and extending the life of the machine. Safety features such as a safety lock are incorporated to prevent accidental startups, providing peace of mind during use. The ergonomic design and convenient storage options, including a detachable handle, make this pressure washer easy to maneuver and store, ensuring a clutter-free workspace.